You're probably wondering, Megan, what are you doing in your kitchen? Oh my gosh, this is a cook with me video. If you came here for the recipe thinking I'm some cooking god, you're mistaken. This needs to be put down. I'm just gonna be talking freely while I cook. It's kind of dangerous. No one knows what comes out of my mouth when I'm not paying attention. First of all, this lockdown, it's fucking sucking. My anxiety is so bad that I stay up until like 3 mostly every night. I'm not a chef. I don't cook. I don't. So I make myself an egg and a piece of toast. I'll say hey to your proteins, and then you got your carbs, which fuel your body. They give you energy. Misconception: carbs make you fat. Just holding my egg. Also, very done with boys. I'm over it. I find that hot girl summer has gotten a cringy reputation, so I feel like I can't say that, but it's a hot girl summer. I'm sick of the games, I'm sick of the weirdness, but I just want you guys to know that you're not alone. On social media right now, people are really glorifying themselves being, I'm having so much fun out here. But they're not showing the whole thing. That really gets me sometimes. On my way to get my coffee cup. That stinks. Molson Canadian. It's funny, it's one of my dad's beer cups. Welcome to Nespresso. So this is her pretty basic stuff here. Open it to all of these lovely flavors. Know your pods, people. Unless it's vape. Don't vape. You unlock this baddie and it actually shoots the old one back, but it's filling up. But I'm still gonna squish it down. I don't have energy for that. I'm gonna press that. Okay, this is getting really hot. Didn't think this through. So I'm just gonna pop this baddie in the freezer. Bye, baddie. Bye-bye, coffee. Yeah, go, baby. Are you in here? I'm literally gonna kill this girl. If you're ever sussing a guy out and you think he's like a fuckboy or he's illegitimate, you're probably right. Your gut, stick with it. That recently happened to me. Sometimes you just misconceive things and you think that someone likes you when you're wrong. Pan. You're gonna need a pan. I love these little ones. Yeah, so I've been using, what is this? Olive oil. Or like coconut oil instead of butter. I feel like there are some health benefits. I don't know them on the top of my brain, but here they are. That being said, do not coat your tiny little pan in oil. That cannot be good. Also, if you're watching this and you go to KCI, vote for her. You're gonna put a tiny little bit of this. Like, not a lot. Like, that's good. That's good. Looks like sweat. This is good for me. I'm not gonna cook yet. Bread. It is light rye. Dimfemer. What does that say? Dimfle. I'm gonna stop butchering that. You just kind of take a piece out. Look at that. And then you put the bread back. You have to pick up what you dropped. Ugh. That didn't work. Wrong one. Yay! Now that you put your toast down, it means we gotta get cracking. Oh, terrible. Oh, get your eggie. Woo! And crack it. Ooh. Oh, you should probably turn your stove on.
Ew, I have yolk on me.
She cooking! I like to go like this. Don't like the yolk runny, that's disgusting. Not to be judgmental. How am I supposed to film this? Maybe I can do this. Flip! Yay! Pretty proud of that one-handed flip I just did. Ah! Toast just popped! There's so much going on right now. I think the biggest thing for me right now is focusing on myself. I've had so many shitty guys come and go. Butter on my toast. Yum. This kind of turned into more of a like dance and cook with me. It's just easy breakfast. Normally before I do my workout, I've been needing to eat. I've been getting really hungry. So I look forward to this little breakfast that's gonna give me energy. You all for my workout. We're gonna check on our coffee.
Yeah.
Should we go to Essential Feminism? Who let me dance? So we're gonna continue to make my coffee because we're getting off track. From the freezer, she's definitely still warm. We're gonna go to the cute ice. Why am I yelling? Just put a bunch in. Mix it around. Hi. Woo! We're gonna eat. It's like we're on a date. Okay, we're just gonna dive right in here. I feel like the only tea is that all boys suck. All of you out there, there's one specifically that I'm talking about, but yeah, but it's okay, you can come in. Like, I'm out of things to talk about. Conspiracy theory, where is Andy Grammer? Okay, I'm looking, and he actually did release a song this year. This is the song he released this year. I've never heard this. Okay, I can't. That's a weird song, Andy. Whoa! I think this is one of my favorites. Also, I'm unemployed right now. I don't know if that's any of you guys. I literally don't look at my bank account because it just stresses me out. Before I was rudely interrupted. Currently unemployed, right? Also in summer school. I don't like that either. I'm learning Spanish, so mucho gusto. Basically, life right now just kind of sucks. I'd love to just like move somewhere.
Get out of this place.
Exactly. Yeah! Fifth Harmony, or no, this is Little Mix. Who is Little Mix? What? I thought this was fully Fifth Harmony. What? I just got a disturbing text message. Nah, nah, nah. Coming to the end here. My coffee's almost done. I don't have anything else. If you watched to this point, comment swag with a $S. Said it's our first time. I think she might have lied. Tattoos, piercings, and she just learned to twerk. Bye guys, love you. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Ew. Bye guys.